another video. In this video, we're gonna take the BRZ to the frame. So why we couldn't take the car earlier to frame and the video didn't come out earlier is because the weather in Missouri sucks right now. And what we need to do is pull out the car, which we did right now, and the guy with the tow truck is supposed to come and take the car to the frame shop. Let's go. So guys, this is why we couldn't make the video any sooner. One of my friends pulled up on his ST. Let us know if we should make another build on one of these. Let's see it, boys. Really thinking of the next build. Guys, so the tow truck came and we're gonna take the car, load her up, and take it to the frame. Loading up now. Get her to frame, boys. You guys, she's on. Next stop is the frame shop. Okay guys, so we arrived where we're gonna do frame. It's a little shop, one of our buddies owns it. What right now is he's gonna pick up the hood, gonna put the battery in and move the car onto the frame. Okay guys, so it's the next day. We came to our buddy's shop and what we found out is there's a car on the frame already. We're gonna have to take that down and move this car right here. So let's get to do that. Guys, we just put the car in the frame. We're gonna pick up the frame right now, bolt the car down to the frame, and we're gonna get to moving it. What I'm gonna do in the meantime, while my brother is picking up the car and putting it and bolting it on to the frame, I'm gonna bring him in the parts for the BRZ. Right now we're gonna get the car clamped up to the frame and we're gonna get to pulling it. So I put in all the parts. Here are all the parts. Here's the fender, some little bars for the radiators, and then rebar. Here's the 86 bumper that we bought for the car. And we got a little surprise for you guys at the end of the video, so let's stay tuned. By Lowe's, grab some drill bits to drill out the core support and the bottom radiator support, as well as we need a 24mm socket for the frame machine. Alright guys, so we arrived to our local Lowe's. get these drill bits. And these drill bits right here, these will do the job. Got that 24 millimeter. This will do the job as well. So we ended up needing the 24 millimeter, the drill bit, and one more thing.
Yeah, we needed the adjustable wrench for the frame machine.
Let's get to work. Thank you too.
So boys, we just picked up some Rockstar as well. Oh, check this out for us. A little something.
Actually has the same headlights as us.
Little competition here in Missouri. Something to start the day.
Feeling good. It's a new dawn. Drifting, birds flying high. Drifting, it's a new dawn. Drifting, birds flying high. Drifting, it's a new dawn. Drifting, birds flying high. Drifting, it's a new dawn. Drifting, birds flying high. Drifting, it's a new dawn. Drifting, birds flying high. Drifting, it's a new dawn. Drifting, birds flying high. Feeling good. It's a new dawn. Drifting, birds flying high. Feeling it's a new dawn. Drifting, birds flying high. It's a new dawn.
We're gonna take apart what we need to take off of the front end for that bars to get pulled.
It's a new dawn. Drifting, birds flying high. Feeling good.
Now we got everything off, the car clamped, and now we're ready to cool it.
So we clamped it down to this bar. Now let's get to pulling. We started pulling and the car started moving a little bit. So we're retightening the clamps to get that perfect hold. Pull it maybe a little bit more because it's still squished in a little bit. You see, got a little dented over there. Well, everything's going solid right now, man. What do you think, man?
Yeah, it's not too bad. It should be fixed pretty soon. So guys, we pulled this out as much as we can. Now we're taking this part off so we can pull this reinforcement piece out and then get everything aligned and start drilling out.
High quality tools here, our measurement tool that we're gonna be using on this build, and it's gonna make everything fit so good, and we'll see what we need to pull more and pull less, you know, get everything on spot. So let's get that. Because there's on the bottom there's a spot that it's bent, so we're gonna have to do that in a little bit, but that's not gonna stop us from doing the frame. So I'm gonna help my brother do the frame here.
we're gonna double check, make sure the wheelbase is good.
Fender came off. Just had to fix this real quick because I don't know if you guys can see, but it's bent. But we unbent it, and now we can move on with the build. So I'm gonna go and take this fender liner off because we need some space over here. But first, hey, just like that, we got the fender liner off. Put that to the side. Next step for me is to undrill these weld spots right here, and as well as these right here on top. So all this comes off perfectly fine. So we can pop the new one in, and I'm gonna do the same on that side. So let's get to that. What we're actually gonna do right now is we're gonna measure underneath the car to see if the measurements are way off, because the wheels are never on point. But after this, I'm gonna move on back to undrilling the pieces that I have to undrill right here, and the same as this. We're gonna do it with this bolt right here and this bolt right here. So just line them up. That's straight on the bolt. What was it, man? Okay, let's hop on the other side and check it too. It's pretty good. Okay, man. So we checked the frame, and it seems pretty center. So. So while I was drilling out the piece, the drill bit did break, so I'm gonna go run and get another drill bit. We're back at this place. We come here way too often, but we do need a new drill bit because I did break it on accident. So let's go grab it, buy it, and get to the build, man. Here she is, boys. This is all you need to get the weld spots off. Just be careful, don't break them like I did. So bought the new drill bit, broke it again, but we did take the weld spots off and it pulled off. So what are we doing, man?
Doing frame.
Okay guys, so we measured from the top bolts, from this bolt to the side, and it looks like the frame rail is off by ½ inch, and I think it's this rail right here because that rail sits pretty fine. We put the support on, we put the rebar on just to see how it fits now, but we have to pull that side a little more for sure. How is it, man?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we fitted the rebar again, and it's much better, boys, much better.
The holes lined up.
Yeah, the holes lined up. So what's the next step, man?
Throw the support on, double check all the gaps, weld it on.
Yeah, let's do this, boys. The next step of the build is to take this off right here and put the new one on. So Elijah's gonna be drilling it out because I already broke 2 drill bits, not trying to break the 3rd one, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Drill out things is using the small drill bit like this to get the spot welds like a little hole, and then take the big drill and just go through it. It makes the job so much easier.
To speed up the process of replacing this bottom piece, I'm just gonna cut it off, drill what I need, and then weld the new piece on.
pop out of place. So frame is coming along, boys. So I wanted to ask you guys a question. Should we get an open flash tuner, tablet, whatever it's called, for this BRZ? Tell me in the comments or DM me or something, but for real, that's a real question. All right, guys, so we did take this off right here, and the new one is right there. But what we gotta do is we gotta pull this side right here a little bit more, so we have a good line. And basically that's about it for right now. Yeah, we're just pulling, so let's get to it. How does she fit, man?
A little adjusted and it should fit good. Yep. Guys, we got this lower piece on. We clamped it on. Now we gotta measure everything, double check, and weld it on.
We checked this side fits perfectly, but this side is still need to be adjusted a little bit. But, you know, Reba Boys got that OEM fitment.
Oh yeah.
Got the support on. It's on one bolt over here, one bolt over there. Fits like a glove. So we're gonna triple check everything, and then we'll get to welding them. We put the rebar on to see how everything sits and everything fits well. Okay guys, so this is a little surprise that we got. So these are the headlights. They're pretty freaking sick, dude. These are gonna look so sick on the car. Look at those.
The BRZ frame is complete now. So this is the end of the video. If you guys like this type of videos, please like and subscribe. Comment down below what kind of mods you guys want to see on the BRZ. Boys, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. And if you guys want to, let us know if we should make a Snapchat. Comment down below.
Feeling